Hello, welcome back to the Bearded Hobby Homestead. Now, as most of you know, we are in South Africa and now currently is winter. We are having tons and tons of cold weather coming through, and that equates to chopping more wood. Now, chopping wood, for those of you who actually have tried it, chopping wood for a couple of homes enough to last a long time may take a long while. And with our country not being one of the most cold countries in the world, we don't really have things like wood splitters that are hydraulic or even mechanical, or we don't really have that kind of thing. So I did some research to try and find a way to do something, build something that can assist with the chopping of wood. Now, the main problem I have with most of the situations are that the units are too small to fit most kinds of wood, and we have logs that size, smaller. So really it's depending on what size of wood you're looking at. So building one of those little axe splitter thingies works, but only for smaller logs. So today I'm going to figure this out in a way that will assist us in making a wood pile that doesn't take as much effort or as much time. Now, the basic thing I have here is a splitting blade. Now, this thing is sharpened, and when it presses into the wood, it should crush and split to the point where you have 4 pieces of wood. That already makes it easier. From there you can take bicycle straps or something, holding the wood together, crush it one way, turn it a couple of degrees, 45 degrees, yes, and then just do it again. That way, 2 crushes, you've got 8 pieces of wood, and that should make the situation easier. So, without further ado, I hope you enjoy my music choice, and don't judge me too hard on this one, because I'm figuring this out as I go on. So let's get stuck into it. Right then, so that should come down and crush the wood. You have a bigger piece, adjust it upwards. Time for a test. Okay, so just quickly, in my initial testing, I found that this thread rod that goes down is not strong enough. I will need to find something stronger, thicker, and with a smaller thread or bigger thread, may go faster. But that's basically it. This design and idea works. If this is improved, this thing will work like a charm. Thanks for watching. I'm off to find some food and something to drink. This workshop is hot even though it's winter. Thanks for watching. See you next time right here on the Bearded Hobby Homestead.